Good job. Oh, flip. I know it's fit. It's here. Yay! Good job. What number? Oh, the 20 is there. Here, 20. Uh-oh. Oh, it's 19 here. Flip. I will help Asnerut. Yay! And 20 is there. Flip. Again, flip, flip. Oh, that's 4. It's here. That's number 4. Oh, rotate, flip. Good job. Oh, that's 8. Oh, again, flip, flip. Good job. 13, it's here. Good job. Oh, nice one. Ask them where to place. Oh, that's here. It's 12. Oh, flip. That's 12. Good job. Oh, that's 14. It's here. Oh, next is 18. It's here. Oh, flip. 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 Yay. 2. It's here. I'm videoing Asner. Asner, you know how to place. May I see what number is that? 5. This is 5. Here's 5. Opposite. Flip. Good job.
Yeah!
Yay. What about this one, Asner? Where to place this? Where's to place this? What number is that? That's 16. Did you remove? Did you remove? Oh, you flip. Oh, put. Yay! This one is to put. Yay! This one. No, there. And also here. Oh, rotate. Oh, rotate.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Oh, this one.